Hey family, hold on, I gotta take these off. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you guys because I'm finally leaving fucking Fort Bragg. Thank God. Look at me cussing and thanking God in the same sentence. But this is where I stay. I'm gonna show you guys because I'm leaving. Who cares? This is the Pope area. So these houses, they look kind of like this. These are the houses. And they're like the basic houses, like I forgot what they call, like baseline or something like that. It's like the cheapest housing on post, like seriously. So that's why I got it, because I didn't want to have to come out of pocket for like say if let me start over because I cannot think, you guys. I'm so tired. I've been PCSing. Stay with me. So say if like my rent was $1,000, but I only get basic housing allowance for $900, I would have to come out of my pocket $100. And I had to do that when I was in Germany when I stayed off post, and I just didn't want those problems. And me and my husband, we only had one vehicle. So I'm gonna show you what the house looked like. Do I recommend these houses? No, I don't recommend these houses for certain reasons. There's a lot of water bugs. They're really huge and you have to bomb your house, and it's like an old school looking home. So I'll show you. This is one area of the home, you guys, and I think this is where you're supposed to eat, the dining room, because that's what we used it for. This is the kitchen area, and sorry, I just cleaned it and stuff and prepared it for them to come see. Let me turn the light on for you guys. So this is the kitchen area, and this it was really spacious. So this is the other area. I did not know what to do with this area. I kind of put my this area right here, trash can, trash bin, and like my calendar up here, so to kind of keep the house organized, and then the microwave right here. But yeah, this is this area, and then this is the living room area, and I guess you can make this part like a computer room, but I actually put the couch over here. And I'm sorry about this, the blinds, boy. I had a friend visit, and you know how babies love the blinds. It comes with it loops back around to the front door. So that's the front door right there. So we just walked around. This is the closet. One closet you could put your gear, or your spouse could put their gear too, if you're dual military. But if not, just like regular people stuff, you know what I'm saying. So this is another closet. This is still the front door right here, and then this is the bathroom and the restrooms. There your girl is. What's that? You know what I'm saying? And then you know, if you in the military, you know about Fabuloso. So that's Fabuloso. So that when they walk in here, it'll smell good. This is like the downstairs bathroom. And let's go upstairs. So you have the stairs. Remember when I couldn't do like the stair exercise because it's so dark in here and there's not much stair space? This is a closet. You can put things in. This is the master bedroom, and I liked it because it had wood. So this is the master bedroom, and this is the ceiling fan, and this is the Pope area. I personally wouldn't recommend this area. They do have other areas on post that I would recommend, just like my friends stay there. It's better. Remember, that's Fabuloso. And there I am. Okay, and so that's that one. And let me tell you, this is one reason why I wouldn't recommend, because when I stayed here, this little part right here, it had a hole. You can see that they, you know, patched it up and things like that. So whenever the water would leak off to the side, it would fall down to the downstairs laundry room, which I didn't show you guys. I'm sorry. I'll show you guys that later. And it took them over a year of me being here to fix it. And I think the only reason why they did fix it because the army was coming down and publicizing that the army was coming down and publicizing that on-post housing was like not the best for the soldiers. So yeah, that's the only reason why they finally came and fixed it, started doing surveys and, you know, being really helpful and things like that. And this was my beauty room. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. And they really had to fix these, like a lot of things, like people in this area will have more complaints because of the simple fact these are older houses on post. Like this used to be where the Air Force used to live. So the Pope area, this used to be their housing area. And then, you know, when the Air Force don't think it's good anymore, I think everybody should not think it's good anymore because they have good taste. You know, the army was like, okay, I'll take it. So now the army stays here too. All right, so that's pretty much it, you guys. I just wanted to show you that quickly. I know I was rambling, but basically some places that I think are good to live on post are Ardennes. It's really nice. And then because I have a couple of friends that stay there and I saw their houses and it looks more modern, and they have like a good like pool and clubhouse area where you can go and print stuff, and you know, it has an exercising room, and it has like a room that you can rent and have parties and stuff. Like, so it's really, really nice. So I do recommend like Ardennes housing area. And then it's another one that I'm gonna butcher, okay, but I'm gonna try to say it. It's like Negenhauger or Negenhaugen or something like that. That's a good area. A lot of times they want, like, I've seen specialists live out there, but you gotta have kids. You gotta have something to set you apart. Like me and my husband, we didn't have kids, so it was like we can't stay there. Like, so I was blessed to even get this area because we didn't have kids and we had 3 bedrooms, so I thought that was pretty legit. But I just wanted to show you guys, since I'm leaving, this is a quick video, not so quick, but you know what I'm saying, if you're ever in the Fort Bragg area and you need on-post housing. But yeah, would not recommend this area. That's not to say that all on-post housing is bad. You guys, I am PCSing and my mind is like, so my words, usually I cannot speak well, but baby, right now I cannot speak well at all, okay? So some words slur and then go, But I'm gonna wrap this up. I just wanted to share this with you guys just in case someone was out there trying to find housing on post, Fort Bragg, or, you know, coming this area. And videos like this really help me, so just wanted to show you what it looked like, what to have in mind. So this, I feel like this is the worst of the worst, okay? So if this is the worst of the worst, you have an idea of how much more better it could be. I didn't show you guys the laundry room, and of course you have to get your own washer and dryer. So a good place to get stuff like that if you need stuff for the low, because a lot of people are PCSing. Do Fort Bragg Take My Stuff. A lot of my furniture I got from Fort Bragg Take My Stuff. People are selling it for a fraction of the price, and you also can bargain with them. Also Offer Up. And there's another one that I can't think of right now. Let me look on my phone because I keep all of these things on my phone. 1 second, you guys. I'm looking on my phone. Let me see. Offer Up and Let Go. So they look like this. You see, yeah, I can't even hit the, let me see, let me pull it back. It's this one and this one. It's not doing it well, like where it's being clear so you can see it, but it's Offer Up and Let Go. Let Go is the reddish looking one, so if you put that on your app, and Offer Up is a little green one with like a little tag, a retail tag. So yeah, bye you guys.